Let's start our recipe. 1 tsp lal mirch, paprika powder. 1 tsp dhania, coriander powder. 1 tsp haldi, turmeric. 1 tsp amkur powder, dried mango. Namak, salt as per taste. 1 tsp zira, cumin. A quarter cup pani, water. Mix well. Keep aside. A half cup oil. 1 tsp adrak, ginger paste. Subscribe to the channel please. 2 hari mirch, green chilies. Prepared masala mixture. Cook for 2 minutes. One cup pani, water. 2 cup chane, boiled chickpeas. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Hara dhania, coriander leaves. Ready to dish out. Thanks for watching.